amazing family, how are you all doing? You're welcome back to today's channel cooking video. So today I want to take you guys along on how I prepare moi made from beans. So here I have my washed peeled beans and scotch bonnet pepper, red chili pepper, onion and crayfish. So here is me blending it, grinding it to smooth paste. So once I'm done, I had to clean up and make sure everywhere is sparkling clean. I don't like keeping my blender dirty. Immediately I use it, I washed it. That's me. I would have loved to play the main sound of this video, but the background was too noisy.
Okay guys, so I'm done grinding and cleaning every other thing. So yeah, this is 2 cups of beans, so you guys can see it. This is 2 cups. I made this of this small pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, chili pepper. So yeah, I'll be adding my seasoning. Salt, I mean. This is my seasoning cube. Not Maggi. I'll be adding just 1. So I'm going to stir. So that the seasoning will mix properly. I need small salt. And I'll be adding my cooking oil. I have this water that I'm washing my hands, so if you see me going there, that's water. So I will mix the oil inside thoroughly. Before now, I've already put water on fire that is boiling. So why I made this one? Guys, I'm done mixing thoroughly. I also have those fish, dried fish. I'll be adding to it. So I'll be using this to measure. So yeah guys, I'm using this ice cream plates. When I was keeping this plate, it was not because of moi-moi, and I don't know why I kept this plate. Normally I used to throw any ice cream plate to make use of. So this one, I don't know why I kept it, and now I've seen the reason why I kept this plate. So I'll be using it to cook this moi-moi. So I have 4 of this size, 4 of this size, and 2 of this size, and I also have this one as well. I'll be using it to cook it. Yeah, so let's dive into the video. So let me show you guys how I do this. I'm not going to fool it, so this is enough. I'll be adding the fish. I still opened it because I want to check if I will be still adding any other thing like fish later. So this is how I'll be doing it. I don't think I'll add fish later. So yeah, that other plate is finished, so let me make use of this. So this is what 2 cups of beans gave me. Oh. So guys, these are the moi-moi I got. 6. I got 6. So I will cover and send to. I'll cover very well. Then I'll go and put them in the fire. Very, very tight. So I got this. So I'll cover it to cook.